Put chopped spinach in a bowl, 2 chopped onion, chopped cauliflower, coriander leaves, grated potato, 2-3 chopped chilli, 2 tablespoons Sibu veg cutlet masala, salt to taste. Add soya powder, mix it well, make a mixture, make a round shape. Put oil in a pan, shallow fry the cutlet. Sprinkle Sibu chaat masala. Sibu cooking tips. How do you keep cutlets crispy? The best way to keep fried foods crispy. Just place them on a cooling rack set over a baking sheet. If you're frying multiple batches, throw the whole setup into a low oven to keep everything warm as you keep frying and adding to the rack. Help us to serve you better.